Wow, that'll be really easy. I do need to tape up the wastegate real quick. Nice. Well, moving on to bigger and better places. Guys, thank you. Don't do anything dumb in that. I'm just kidding. All right, so we're loaded up. I've got most of the stuff taped up. I'm probably gonna go ahead and get like a bag. Do you have like a paper sack inside, like a Walmart bag, like a leftover or something? I need to get something to cover this up, so I'll figure that out. Or I'll just heavy duty tape it. What?
You just put the hood on.
I mean, I'm gonna have to take the hood off again. I'm gonna have to tape it up anyways because there's a hole right here in the hood. I know he's gonna have fun in that. Jeez. All right, time to get this thing loaded up. Today we're going to turn 5 Fab. He is going to be fabricating all of the crap that I need for this car to function properly before tuning it. And I'm paying my wife to strap the car for me. I'll pay you in kisses. Not the Hershey's kind. Surprisingly, didn't leave that huge of a mess. From all the nasty crap, like I got nuts and bolts and stuff everywhere, but this is cool. Okay, now we got it loaded up. I gotta load up the truck with all of the crap that I need fabricated and all the excess parts. So obviously I have my intercooler that needs to go on and my old intercooler piping. And then I've got a bunch of parts over here. I'm so sorry for this, guys. I've had so many unboxings the last few days. It's kind of embarrassing. So I've got, this is some old spare parts, like old V-band clamps and hose clamps and stuff like that for my Evo that I know that I will be able to use. And then here, this is all of my stuff. So I've got my PTP turbo blankets, or my turbo blanket, and then my header wrap and stuff in there. All the stuff for the wastegate is right there. My AEM gauges, and my oil cooler down there. I got a bunch of all my spare parts that I'm not, you know, touching for now. Some hose clamps. Got a lot of stuff. Nice. All right, this is about the best we got. So hopefully this holds up. I'm not worried about anything getting in it. I just want, just in case it starts sprinkling or anything, last thing I want is just to have a little bit of water in the turbo. So go ahead and protect that. But since we have rain on the forecast, but we should be okay. We're gonna go ahead and leave now and get to Kevin's shop sooner rather than later. And then we'll figure out other stuff from there. But let's make sure we got everything and then scoot. I wanna say thanks to the boys who brought me out some Monster at the last meet that I went to. Actually, these are probably the ones I bought because I finally just caved in and I'm not gonna wait for you guys to send them anymore. But hey, if you wanna send them to me, I got a sexy PO box just for you. Get up in the damn spaceship. Oh my God. I love driving this thing so much. Yeet. Got a nice little cockpit going here. Look at that, I bet you it's still cold.
When the sun comes up, champagne and Tropicana, blunts rolled up, twisting Cubans from Havana, turkey bacon, egg white, strawberries and banana.
Yo! So this is actually the town I bought my Evo. What?
Fried pies? That sounds so good.
I have to go check it out, dude. This town got like 6 people in it, but it's still pretty lit, dude. Van Alstyne. We out here, Van Alstyne. Let's go! And here we are. Nice little 240 graveyard slash, well, not really graveyard, I'm pretty sure. Well, nope, that's definitely graveyard for sure. Look at all these, dude. I could just cop one of these and just start a freaking SEMA build, you know what I mean? Alright, well, he's not even here yet, and it just started raining a bit, so my bubble wrap job definitely flew off, which I didn't expect it to last long anyways, but I'm gonna check and make sure my tape is still there, and if not, maybe cover it with like a microfiber or something before he gets here, so. Hey, my tape job held up real nice. I like that. Oh no, it's still back here. It just flew into the freaking, that's lit. All right, cool. Well then, I'll just keep it like this. we're good. We're straight, boys.
Kush my cologne, Jimmy Choo is your perfume. Make your power moves, quickly when you smiling hook rules. You my right hand, go through those who try to hurt you. Not missing you, like a motherfucker, call my earth through. One more chance if you let me in your circle. I promise not to do or say anything hurtful. Seeing you today weighed heavy on my mind. Besides, it seems like a mighty long.
This thing is a pain, boys. We just figured out that for some reason this brake caliper it seizes going backwards, so that's really sick. Have to fix that. But hey, we got it here without getting too wet or wet at all, which is awesome. Oh, welcome to your new home, ugly. Oh, are these my unboxing parts? I like it.
You're gonna make a video.
Oh, it's okay. Gotcha. Ooh, damn. All right, then. Oh, that's nice. That's so sick. Oh my God, that's... I've always wanted one of these. So we got just a big ass thing of tube. Wow, that's meaty.
So extra thick.
Hell yeah. Oh yes, dude. This for the downpipe?
Yeah.
Nice. Kevin literally saved these for me so that I can unbox them for videos because he knows I like unboxing things. You're so nice. All right. Oh man. Wow. What the hell is this, dude? What kind of freaking exhaust are you making for me, dude? Oh, is that it? They literally just threw everything possible they could in here? Oh, nice.
I ordered another one. That's for me now.
Okay, cool. Nice. So all this is for all the things that I have to get made. Kevin, we're in his meme shop right now, and he's gonna be making the downpipe, the intake, the charge piping, and everything that I basically need fabbed before tuning. So a big thing on this car is my nasty interior that my silly butt gutted and never finished. So the gauges that I got, the AM gauges, are, I guess, Kevin, you want to do them like right here or so? And then he's gonna make a sort of a plate that kind of finishes out the dash. And so it just doesn't look bunk in here, because I want it to, I don't know, I would love to have a sort of a complete interior. I'm gonna finish that. We'll have the gauges in here, and those will be all good. And I think that's pretty much about it. Well, if you guys need a cage or any kind of fab done, I want you guys to hit up, it's actually Turn 5 Fab. I call him, I like Kevin's dang meme shop better, but if you want like a cage done or anything, make sure you hit up Kevin, because he does a good job. Look at that, look at this, look at this tuck, bro. Look at this tuck, bro, that's nice. I'll put him in the description of this video. Actually, probably all the videos that I make here, because I'll be here for a few times over the next week. Is that a dump coming out of that Acura over there? That just caught my attention. Anyways, this is what I get. I see this stuff like this, and then I just can't focus. This distracted me. Oh, that's actually kind of sick, dude. That's a massive intercooler. Just they got a big turbo on it. Oh yeah. Bye, Lexus. It looks so. It looks like mean, but also really ugly without the front bumper. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. Huh?
It's Barbie girl.
Stop that. That's mean. Goodbye, Lexus. Goodbye. I'll see you soon. We're in the country so far, so deep right now that they actually sell off-road diesel. For those of you who don't know, off-road diesel is it's a cheaper diesel, but you have to have a farm. It's for farm use only, not for road use. Yep. Prohibits use in highway vehicles or engines. So today I had no really expectation of what was going on. I'm gonna be coming up to his shop several times over the next week or so. I don't know how long it's gonna take him to do this, but we're gonna try and get everything fabbed up ASAP. And then I'm gonna be taking it to Trackstar this next coming week or whenever after it's done, get it tuned and to dial the suspension in, which is something that I'm very, very excited about. I'm stoked because the Lexus has always been my favorite car, but I put it off because I know people don't really, like there's obviously more people in the world that wanna watch an Evo or a Subaru or whatever versus a SC300. So I put it off for a lot of different projects. I think I'm finally just doing what I've always wanted to do, so it's about the car. This is hands down my favorite car that I own. Evo's cool, I love the Evo, but bro, the SC300, my favorite car ever. Hey, thanks Dad. Everybody say thanks Dad. I appreciate you. Dad's not in here. I don't know why I waved in there. He's not there. Back to the comfy spaceship. Oh, it's not even aired out, dude. What's going on here? Well, I wish I had something else to install or do, but guys, I'm freaking tired, and it's time to go edit. I'm gonna take a PlayStation. I actually bought a PlayStation 4 yesterday just to play Spider-Man. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching today, and I'm really excited for this to keep going. I'll keep on updating you guys and keep making as many build videos as possible, and we will keep having great days together. Peace out. Be victorious.